My name's Sam. I'm one of the EuroApprentices for this year.
My name's Sufyan Sheikh.
Fatima Jamed.
I'm Jamie.
My name is Ben Lander.
I'm Michael Hutchings.
I'm Casey Henry.
I know Zalanis Thomas. I've really enjoyed getting to learn about everybody else's experiences through Erasmus, because I think it's a real eye-opener and it just shows you how much this programme actually helps everyone.
The confidence building, but meeting all different people that have done different Erasmus courses while we've been here.
Over the 2 days, just getting to know other people in the same position but done different experiences.
The best part of this weekend is probably the mini golf. It was definitely good to meet new people, speak to them about their experiences, and have a good game of mini golf with them.
The presentation skills workshop was probably one of my favourites. Really fun, really interactive.
I enjoy how we have training in speaking in different varieties of tones, your stance, how you speak.
Today especially I enjoyed doing the speaking exercises where we learned our skills and then we got up and got to kind of put them into practice.
The most enjoyable thing that I've gleaned from this EuroApprentice training weekend was the kind of roles that are expected and the workshops. I feel that I've come here already knowing very little about this, and I'm leaving with a lot more information than just on what my role is. I feel I'm going to go out and be able to public speak better, have more of a social media understanding, and really be able to share the word of the Erasmus Plus Fund better.